Look at the beautiful red bud tree, y'all. I love red buds. They pop up in the spring and they look so beautiful. Little purple popping in into this beautiful red bud. It's red bud. Beautiful purple blossoms. It's one of my favorites in early spring. The red bud tree. Yeah. Just hangs out in the backyard. You know, adorning the shed. With the red bud. With the red bud. It's a beautiful tree. Beautiful. Check out the tree, folks. I love it. It's a magnolia tree. Beautiful magnolia. And it's big. It's big. It's not Easter yet though, but you can tell it's gonna be. The magnolia tree is in bloom. This tree is beautiful. Very beautiful. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Typical morning. What you doing this morning, buddy? Is it morning? Is it morning? Is it morning? He's a baby cat, but he's big. He's a big cat. He's a Bengal. A Bengal. He's got spots. Bengal kitty. Flo. Hey, Flo. He's looking out the window. Looking out the window, Flo. Flo. Hey, girl. That's Miss Black. That's Flo's sister. Flo's sister, these are Cleona's babies. That's their mother. Cleona is Sativa kitty. And these are her babies. And Woogie. Woogie, Woogie, Woogie. Cats and dogs in the morning and birds. Are you looking for Mr. Black? Mr. Black. Hey, Miss Kitty. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning, y'all. And I'm just chilling out with my pets, Say hello to everyone. She's so spoiled, aren't you, girl? Look at them beautiful kitty eyes. Mornings with Granny and the pets. Beautiful. I have beautiful pets and they love each other. Yeah, everybody loves everybody. Brother and sister, he's gonna stop the fight. It's not a fight, it's a morning thing they do. They're getting up. Just like me. They're getting up. Are you getting up? Cats and dogs with me in the office today. I'm up. I've been up since 4:30. I'm just chilling out in my guest room. This is actually my office. We all chill out here. This is where I will keep the TV. I don't keep a TV in my bedroom, but this is the office, the guest room, and the playroom for the kitties, for the kitty cats. They like to watch the squirrels and the birds. I go up there. Store. Y'all have a good day now. So far, so good. I got a bunch of editing to do. Rogie, don't do that on camera. Hey! Let's see what I'm doing. Do. Chilling out. In the morning. My babies are growing so well. Look at the parlor fern I picked up about a month ago. She's really went. It was great for $1. $1. And those were free. I grew them off of other plants. My little money tree. Hey, Mr. Black. Mr. Black. Mr. Black. That's Mr. Black and his wife. Mr. Black. Thanks for stopping by. I love you guys. Toodaloo.